All right, at 0.004, that's a 4.25 grams, by the way. Okay, I'm not going to use that mass, but there it is. If you want to use it, go ahead. All right, and then it's 8.5 centimeters, which is this many meters from the center of a turntable, right? There it is, right? And this thing is spinning around. Right? What is the minimum period the turntable can have before the eraser slides off, right? So if you spin it really fast, that is, the period is really small, the eraser will fly off. If you spin it really slowly, that is, the period is really large, it can stay on there. So this at least somewhat interesting, right? Okay, so what we're going to say is that our friction force equals the centripetal force, right? Friction is always mu times m times g. Now, since it's asking for the period and not the velocity, we're going to have to use the formula m 4 pi squared r over t squared, okay? We'll have to use that. All right, now, let's take a look at this. Notice we could put the mass in, but what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to just cancel the mass on both sides. Okay? I don't even have to put it in. I mean, feel free to put it in, but I'm doing enough calculating. We have the coefficient of friction, so I'm going to go 0.915. Very precise coefficient of friction. 9.8. Right? Let's fill in what we know. 4 pi squared. Let's see, r is this, right? So 0.085, then divided by t squared. All right, let's math this thing. I just did this side here, and then I'm going to do the numerator here. 4 pi squared times 0.085, and that's 3.35566 divided by t squared. Okay. Now, how do we solve for t, right? The hardest part is yet to come. It's like, oh, what do we do? Well, I can just switch these guys, right? This is over 1. And you can always switch, when you have two fractions like that, you can switch these things diagonally. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go t squared equals 3.35566 divided by 8.968. Okay, so that guy divided by, oh, it's 8.967. Oops. Where did I get the 8? I don't even know. Okay. Well, okay, so t squared is 0.3742 seconds. And now to get t, I'm going to square root both sides. Now, on my calculator, literally, I'm going to go second square root second answer. Because I don't want to type all those digits in. And if you don't type them all in, you won't get the right answer. Okay, so t is 0.611738. So that would be, if we round it to this place, we would say 0.612 seconds. Ta-da. Yeah. Yeah. All right.